If you want to quickly check your monetization status on Facebook, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and easy way. Whether you're a creator, a page owner, or just trying to see if your account is eligible for monetization, knowing where to look can save you a lot of time. So in this guide, I'll show you how to find the monetization section in Facebook using your browser, and I'll keep it nice and straightforward from start to finish. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Facebook in your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or whichever browser you normally use, as long as you're signed in to the correct account. Once Facebook loads, log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you're using the page or profile that you want to check, because monetization status is tied to the right account and dashboard. After you're logged in, look for the dashboard option on the left side menu. Depending on your setup, this may appear in a creator area, a professional dashboard, or a page tools section, but the key thing is to find the dashboard area on the left side. Once you see dashboard, click on it. This will open the main control area where Facebook organizes your page or creator tools, and this is where you'll be able to see important account settings and performance information. Now that you're inside the dashboard, look for monetization. In many cases, Facebook places monetization tools right inside this section, so you can quickly check whether your account is eligible, active, or still under review. Click Monetization to open the monetization status page. Here, you'll be able to see your current status, any available features, and whether there are any requirements you still need to complete. If your account is eligible, Facebook will usually show the tools or programs you can use. If something is missing or not available yet, this section can also help you understand what still needs attention. And that's really all there is to it. By opening Facebook in your browser, logging in, going to the dashboard, and selecting monetization, you can quickly view your monetization status without having to dig through a bunch of settings. If this video helped you, please tap like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.